Hi, welcome to Inside Censhare. I'm Ian Truscott, VP of Global Marketing. In this video series, I'm going to introduce you to a number of my colleagues, our clients, our partners, so you can get a taste of who we are here at Censhare and what we do and how we can help. Please enjoy this episode. Welcome to Inside Censhare. I'm Ian Truscott, VP of Marketing, and again, luckily I'm joined by Dagmar Schneider, who's going to share with us a bit more of her experience working with our clients. So Dagmar, in the last episode we talked about the start of Censhare and where we began with great big publishers. Now I understand that then helped us with some of the other challenges we're now facing today with our clients, some of those problems that we're solving, and specifically digital asset management. Do you want to talk a little bit about that?
Yes, digital asset management is, let's say, the foundation of everything that you want to do. Anything, if it's the publisher or if we are talking about other clients that we have, the digital asset management is the foundation of everything. Because if you don't have that pool of content in the middle, you don't have the chance of playing it into different output channels.
Right.
So if you look at what we are doing today in terms of DAM, let's shorten this.
Yeah.
Then you face something like rights management with the content, with the images and videos that come in. GoPro is a very good example for that.
Yeah, and they handle millions of videos, don't they?
They do. I've just seen the data, and they are currently handling already 25 million of current assets and over 40 million of all versions of all assets they have in the system.
Wow, that makes our little video blog seem very small, doesn't it? Yes. But so people so we've moved from publishers, our core business, to now folks like GoPro. Are we finding that more industries are now interested in how they manage their assets and publish?
I mean, the funny part of that is that the first stepping stone, the first step on this journey was not directly to someone like GoPro. Mm-hmm. It was through multi-language marketing material that we came to, let's say, companies of all colors and of all businesses, and not just publishing houses.
Right. So we're relevant to a whole number of different industries,
yes.
Right, who have that publishing challenge.
Yes, a company like BMW produces much more paper than the Süddeutsche Zeitung, which is our very famous Munich newspaper here.
Yeah.
So BMW was our next step.
Right. So we then started producing marketing materials for big brands like this, having moved from magazines.
Yes.
And that goes along with something that I've seen is that all organisations, their second business is as publishers, right? They're content publishers on the web, they're also publishing print. Yes. Print is still valuable, right?
It is, and it will still be in, let's say, 10 years. Yeah. But on the other hand, you will see a development which is more or less like radio or even television, where there is still a niche. Yeah. And there will always be people who take something printed into their hands and prefer that against any digital output channel.
Right. But for us, we don't care.
Yeah.
Right. We're just publishing content to whichever channel the client wants.
Because we have it all in our DAM.
Yeah, absolutely. So that's a little bit about our digital asset management capabilities and some of our experience, and thank you very much for that, Dagmar.
Thanks, Ian.
In the next episode, if you're staying with me, we'll talk about some of the other things that we do with our clients.
If you get a coffee for me.